In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI assistant in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money's AI assistant helps you understand your finances in a simple, conversational way. It can explain spending trends, answer questions about your budget, and guide you through features inside the app. To access it on desktop, look for the AI chat icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. If it's your first time, you may need to opt in through Settings, then Preferences. Once opened, you can start typing natural questions like, why did my groceries increase this month? Or, how do I set up rollovers? The AI will analyze your actual financial data and give you personalized answers based on your account activity. You can also follow up with more questions in the same chat, so it keeps context and gives more detailed insights over time. The AI can also help summarize spending, spot unusual transactions, and guide you through features inside Monarch. If you ever want to stop using it, you can turn it off anytime in settings. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.